Hello, today's topic is Revit and its associated topics of AutoCAD and BIM. Firstly, what is Revit? Revit is a building information modeling software for architects, engineers, designers, and contractors. And therefore, there are three modules of Revit software: the architectural, the structural, and the system module. The system module is basically the MAP, and MAP is the abbreviation of mechanical, electrical, and plumbing disciplines. Basically, Revit software allows users to design the project components in 3D. Moving to the first associated topic to Revit, which is AutoCAD software. So, what is AutoCAD? AutoCAD is a drafting software tool used to create 2D and 3D drawings. Then, what is meant by drafting? Drafting means that AutoCAD doesn't recognize these two lines as a wall, whereas in Revit, the software can easily recognize this as a wall. And this is what meant by modeling. What is interesting is that Revit can be exported to AutoCAD and AutoCAD can be imported to Revit. However, there are many other features that do not exist in AutoCAD but exist in Revit, such as generating the material takeoff and cost schedule. Also, Revit is great for collaboration and coordination between different disciplines. For instance, we can detect a clash between a pipe going through a structural beam. Furthermore, phasing in Revit can be used in the project time management. Finally, the BIM. The main associated topic with Revit is BIM. BIM stands for Building Information Modeling. It is a 3D model-based process. It is used to efficiently plan, design, construct, and manage the building and the infrastructure projects. One of the best BIM software is Revit, but there are many other software applications as well. Please note that BIM is a methodology or a process, while Revit is a software to leverage that process. And by this, we come to the end of our topic today. Please like this video if you find it helpful.